Hey fellow RVer friends, well we are all hooked up and ready to roll. Today we will be traveling about 120 miles to the Bullocksville State Park on Kerr Lake near Virginia. Now I want you to stick around to the end because in this video I'm introducing a new feature, the cooking segment. I think you'll enjoy that. Have you ever heard someone say it's hard to mess up breakfast? Well, I think I can prove that theory wrong. But before we begin, let's roll that intro. The Bullocksville camping area is pretty remote. It's in the middle of farmland with tobacco and soybeans as the main crops. North Carolina used to be king in the tobacco world. After all the Surgeon General warnings, however, cigarette sales dropped off and it was rare to see a tobacco farm anywhere. Now I'm seeing everywhere again. These fields that we saw today were huge. Unfortunately, my RV Life Travel app put me on some pretty narrow and curvy roads. At this little community called Ridgeway, we junctioned with US 158. The road went across a railroad track and dropped at least 2 to 3 feet. I thought for sure we would drag. Fortunately, we didn't. But I can tell you one thing, we won't be taking this route again. When we arrived at the park, the guard shack was gone. There were no maps or anything. I was amazed. We drove ahead and fortunately we were able to see the little signs that led the way. However, the park is really quite nice and we'll give you a tour later on in this video. We made it down the point to the area where we would be camping. Along the way there were some side roads that led to some tent camping sites. Well, here we are at our site number 42. We're actually on site number 42. It was a little difficult getting in here, but we got in. It's a driver's side back end, so that makes it nice. But this is a pretty nice site. It's plenty deep enough for our Reflection 337. The Park host is right across the street, but when I was trying to back in, there were a bunch of cars parked in there, so that made it kind of difficult. But we do have water views all the way around, and it's nice, really nice. Kerr Lake is a big lake, old lake actually. My wife and I used to come here right after we were first married actually. So this is a really nice campground here. So we've been coming here for over 50 years. I've been coming here for probably close to 65 years. We got our Reflection all set up here. We love this camper, I'll tell you. We really do. Got the awnings out. And of course, home is where you park it. A little about the campsite here. We got our chairs set up and our mat out, which makes it nice. And I've got a fan running here in the background. It helps. There's not too many bugs here, but moving air keeps the bugs from settling down. And then back here is our water hookup. It is really a long way away from the camper. And I couldn't back up anymore. I wish I could have backed up a little bit more. but it couldn't back up anymore because of this tree. And yeah, you see our little honey wagon there. We learned the hard way. Maybe a couple of videos. I think mooch docking video talks about it a little bit. But anyway, really nicely set up here. Our chairs ready to sit in, and nice picnic table here. I prefer the wood ones. We went to another campground that's got that composite material, and people set skillets on it and really mess it up. Place here to hang your lantern if necessary. Also a nice fire ring. So really nice. Well, now I think we'll ride around and show you around the campground. This is really a nice campground, and I can see why it has 9.2 stars. I'll leave a good review myself. I use RV Life, and so to find the places, and this is one of the places that we found. And so anyhow, let's drive around and take a look at the park and show you what we have here. It's really great. Boat launch down here.
Boat launch.
Floating piers too.
Nice. Very nice. What's this?
This is the ball field.
Really neat, pretty whole field here. playground area, bathhouse. Real nice playground over there.
Fishing pier. Down this walkway.
Oh, that's the fishing pier. Okay. That's nice. Real nice.
Restrooms for the shelter areas. That's shelter 12. Now shelter 13 we're coming up to. Now it is the cat's meow.
Yeah. Right on the lake.
And now, the cooking segment. Good morning, Steve here with RV Site to Site. I appreciate you tuning in today. And today we're going to try out the new Woodfire, the Ninja Woodfire Pro that I bought. And so we're going to see how that works and see if I can operate it. So let's get going. Okay, so I've got the Ninja Woodfire Pro here. And I've got it connected up to the power from my storage bay here. I've got this mounted on my MORAD tray, and so let's get started here. And so I have taken the grill plate out, and I have installed the griddle plate. Of course, we've washed everything, and I have around back here, I have installed the grease. I have installed the grease tray. This time we're not putting any wood pellets in here. Don't need that for breakfast. All right, so let's get this thing started. I've got the griddle plate installed. The grease will run down this little area here into the tray. And so here we have the power button, the mode, and the temperature and time, and start. And this is the button here that you press to get it set. So first of all, I'm gonna push the power button. It said hello to me. It's already set at grill, so that's fine. So the temperature is high. The time right now, I'm gonna set that higher. And so we'll rotate this to, let's just say 45 minutes. And it's going up to an hour. Okay, there's an hour. And we'll push that. We'll tell it to start. And it says close the lid or grill. Okay. So we're ready to go. It is now preheating the griddle plate. Okay, the griddle is ready. It's hot as all get out. And so, got our food here. We do the bacon first. Bacon. those are stiffy. I love it when the bacon is so thin it stretches out to be 3 feet long when you try and put it on the grill. Not. So far the Ninja Woodfire is doing great. Griddle is really a little hot for eggs. A little sticking there. Don't like that. That's pretty ugly. I'm not used to doing eggs like that. I'm always the one that fixes breakfast, and my eggs are beautiful. Over medium, but this is sticking, and it's very hot. I've actually turned the heat off. Next time, I'll take the grease out of the grease pan and pour it on the griddle before I cook the eggs. But I do need to know how to turn the heat down on the griddle. It was extremely hot. Well, thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate you watching this video, and so I hope that you'll take time to subscribe and share this video with some of your friends, and be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Tune in next time and we'll have you some more videos. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.